Welcome to Mortgage Minute Monday. I am Tria, owner of the Joe Carbone team at Compass. Unfortunately, Lisa is unable to join us today as she's out with a medical issue, but we do wish her well and for a speedy recovery. Today, I would like to talk about manufactured and modular homes. My husband, Joseph Carbone, is actually a dealer for both types of homes. And the great part about these is one, in many areas, you can do 100% financing, especially if it's in a USDA area in which manufactured homes are most likely to be accepted. In areas where you can't put a manufactured home on the land, modular homes are really great because they're equivalent to a stick-built home. They appraise exactly the same and they're considered exactly the same as on-site building. They come in many varieties, including multi-levels, and sometimes they can also work off of someone's blueprints. So if this is something that might be of interest, it is definitely a more affordable and quicker build time. Please feel free to give us a call, 404-449-5547, or directly to Joe at 404-556-1004. And we look forward to working with you and all of your new home build needs. Thank you and have a great week.